So hey, what is up people? In this video we are going to setting up a SOC lab for beginners using Splunk. So first we will be using Windows 10 as our host, main machine's host, then a Parrot OS VM, okay, and then another one will be Windows VM. If we'll put all together, it looks like this, and it will be called as Multi-Host SOC Lab, okay. So let's start. So first in the browser I will be writing Splunk Enterprise download. So click on download, scroll down, then you will see Splunk Enterprise. Click on that, then you can see you have to fill your information to sign up. So just create your account. Then I have already done that, so I will be just logging in. So click on login. Then you can see Windows 64-bit Windows Server 2019, 2022 and 2025. You can see the wget link, but in my case I will be clicking on download now. So I will be cancelling it because I have already downloaded it. So I will be navigating to the file where I have downloaded it. You can see in the download folder. I will click on install. Then check the box, then customize options, then you can see the path, local system. So next you have to enter the username and password manually. So just next, then install. So wait till it installs. Okay, so let me click on finish. You can see it got launched on my browser, and let me enter my credentials, whatever I entered during the installation. Okay, yeah, then you can see the dashboard. Click on search and reporting. Skip, then click on data summary. Then you can see whatever the host will come here. Okay, so now let's install Universal Forwarder in our Parrot OS. Okay, so I will be searching it for the browser, then clicking on the first link, and then Linux, then 64-bit. You can see the kernel Linux distributions, then .deb file where I will be copying the wget link, okay, because I have to install it through the command line. So let me just copy it, then go to my terminal, then paste it over here. Yeah, okay, so press enter and wait till it downloads. Okay, so it got downloaded. Now let me search the file name using Splunk grep, okay, specifically. So let me just clear it. Okay, so first I will be depackaging it using the dpkg command, then -i, then the file name, then click enter. Okay, so it got completed. So let me just clear it. Then write the command sudo /upd /splunk forwarder /bin, then again Splunk, then start -accept -license. Okay, then click enter. Then here you have to enter credentials. Okay, confirm. Okay, now let me just clear it, then just clear it till here. Then we will be adding the forward server. Okay, so this time I will be showing you the example how the forward server works. So I will be writing host IP rather than the actual host IP. Okay, you can see the port number and the host IP. The host IP here is the variable, not the actual IP. You can see, let me just minimize it first and show you where the forwarding and receiving is done. Okay, so you have to go to the receiving, you have to go to the forward and receiving and configure receiving. After that you will see you can manually add the port number after clicking on new receiving port. You can see here listen on this port. So I will be adding 9997, which is the by default port mentioned over here. So click on save, then you can see it is enabled now. Let's get back to it and just press enter the credentials again. Okay, so you can see added forwarding to host IP and the port number, but that's not the actual host IP, it's just a variable. Okay, so again sudo /opd/Splunk Forwarder /bin/Splunk, then list forward server -server. Yeah, then you can see configured but inactive forwards and active forwards are none. Why? Because we have added that. Okay, so let me just clear it. And this time first we will be removing it. So just write remove and the host IP, then the port number, okay, press enter. After that we will just adding this. After add forward -server, then the actual host IP this time, so it can actually forward it to the Splunk's dashboard. Okay, so let me just to check my IP using IP config on my main machine. So here's the IP 192.168.1.101. okay, so we'll be going back here and we'll be writing 191.168.1.101 and the port number. Then press enter. Yeah, you can see added forwarding to the desired port. Now we will be just restarting it. Okay, so you can see it's done. Now again we will be navigating to the same folder, then we will be checking forward -server. So let me just enter the username and password. Yeah, but this time you can see the forwards are active now with the host IP and our port number. Okay, so if we'll go to setting our home page and do the search and reporting and data summary, Then we can see the host updated over here, this time the Parrot one. If I'll click on the Parrot, you can see the logs over here. Okay, yeah. So if you want to monitor, okay, you can even add this using this command. Okay, if you want to add monitor using /var/log, okay, yeah, and then just restart it, so it will be updated with it. Okay, so now this time we will be doing it for Windows. Okay, our Windows 10 VM. So we will be first going to the browser, and here we will be searching Splunk Universal Forwarder, Uniforwarder. Okay, then just click on login. Then click on login. Then you will be automatically redirected to the download page, so don't worry. Okay, so here you can see, choose the 64-bit one. So you can see the wget link. In my case, I will be clicking on download now. Okay, so I have already downloaded it. I had it in my downloads folder, so I will be installing it from here. Right click, then install. Okay, so let it prepare to install. Okay, so check the box and click on customize options. You can see the directory, then next, then skip this, then click on local system, next, then click on application log, security log, system log. Okay, then next, then enter the uncheck first, generate random password, then enter the password and the username and password manually. Then you can see the deployment server to show the host name IP. So the host IP which we saw before was here using the IP config command. You can see this one 1.101, that was the host IP. So we'll be entering it over here. And the port number 8089, which is used by default actually, and the same port IP and the port number 9997, which we configured before in the Splunk's dashboard actually. Here forward and receiving and the configure receiving, you can see enabled. Okay, so just click on next, install, wait until it installs. So run as administrator or Windows PowerShell. So after that, navigate to the directory first, C drive, program files, then Splunk Universal Forwarder, then bin. Okay, after that dot, then the backward slash, then Splunk, then add monitor, then C drive, Windows, system 32, then win EVT, okay, then slash logs, log, yeah. Then enter the username and password. Okay, so we have added the monitoring. Now after that, again dot / restart, Splunk restart. Okay, so it got restarted. Now clear the screen and now go to CMD and run as administrator, then CD C program file / Splunk Universal Forwarder / bin, and press enter. Then you can see the executable file, so dot / splunk.exe, then rest forward - server, so enter the credentials. Okay, so you can see active forwards, so it means it is forwarding that too. So just minimize it and just go to the home page of Splunk's dashboard, then go to search and reporting, then data summary, then you can see the updated host and check out for the window and the Parrot OS VM. Okay, so you can see, you can check it by the desktop name, okay, using whoami command, so you can match it over here. Okay, so yeah, you can match it. So that's what it for the today's video. So thanks for watching.